Hello everybody, welcome back to Planet X News, May 14th, 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you some photographs that were taken at an Indonesia airport back in December 4th of 2015. Now these photographs were taken by a man at the airport waiting for a plane. The photographs were taken with his cell phone. Many other people that were waiting for their flights were viewing what seems to be two suns in the sky. Even though the photographs were taken with cell phones by multiple people, the air traffic controllers in the tower also photographed and saw this two suns anomaly in the sky. As you can see in the photographs off in the distance, you see what seems to be two suns. You also see an airplane taking off, and you also see the tower. Now, immediately, whenever these photographs hit the internet, they went viral and they were everywhere. Debunkers were soon on the internet trying to tell people that this is not possible, this cannot happen, and the photographs were fakes. We know by viewing the photograph that they are not fake photographs. Some of the debunkers will simply say that this is some type of light refraction from our real sun. And yes, that is a possibility. But ladies and gentlemen, people all around the world for many, many years now have been seeing this same type of anomaly. It has been photographed and it has also been videotaped. Whenever we start dealing with mainstream science and astronomy, scientists will say that our sun is part of a binary system. Astronomers also claim that 50% of all stars in our galaxy are part of a binary system, except for our sun. Other scientific research concludes that our sun has to be part of a binary system. So you see, ladies and gentlemen, that's where we run into the problem with mainstream science and mainstream astronomy. Astronomers can simply not prove that there is not a second sun in our solar system. Critics and debunkers will say if we cannot see it from Earth with our telescopes, then it doesn't exist. But they are wrong, and they are lying to you. This dead star, or as some call it, Nemesis or Planet X, only emits infrared light, which cannot be seen with the human eye, especially through a telescope, regardless of how expensive it is. Even ground-based telescopes in observatories would have a very difficult time viewing such an object. So to put the debunking excuse to rest once and for all, when they use that excuse, they are simply lying. Now, the photograph that you are viewing on your screen is an artist's rendition of what a black star or brown dwarf would actually look like if viewed in space, if you could actually see it from a ground-based telescope. Now, back on May 5th, 2018, making some observations on the cactus coronagraph, I was able to once again detect an object near the sun, and this object seems to have two smaller spheres alongside with it. This is an example of the larger object and the two smaller objects. And ladies and gentlemen, these cameras that are on these spacecraft, such as the SDO, the Solar Dynamics Observatory, and the Stereo spacecraft, their cameras are very sophisticated, and we are able to capture these anomalies, what we refer to as Planet X or Nemesis. And we know that these objects have other smaller bodies with them, such as in 2007. This information, this data, was captured on the Stereo spacecraft, clearly showing this object moving in an orbital pattern around the sun. Over the course of the last 2 years, I have documented hundreds of photographs using the NASA tools. But now they seem to be hiding this information a lot better than they have been over this course of time. Dr. Albers and I will continue with our efforts to uncover the mystery and the evidence surrounding what we refer to as Nemesis, the dead star, the black star, Planet X. So ladies and gentlemen, please stay subscribed, keep your notifications up to date, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.